My dear students of class 9 CBSE, today as a period 1 we will study broadly the concept of polynomials. As from the word polynomials, it is the combination of actually two words, poly and nomials. Poly means many and nomial means terms. Expressions which have many terms are polynomials. Before going to elaborate the concept of polynomials, let us discuss an example. You have a bike and you need to ride your bike by consuming 1 liter of petrol daily. And for that, you are buying 1 liter petrol daily. And the price paid by you at the petrol pump are varies in each day. Here, things which are not varies, not changes, is the quantity of your petrol consumption. And it is known as constant. Price of the petrol changes daily. It varies, hence it is variable. Hence we can say constants are the component which never changes its value or magnitude is known as constant. Example, all real numbers are constant. In chapter 1, we have elaborately discussed the concept of real numbers, and you are quite familiar with real number. A variable, component of any term or expression or equation which changes or varies is known as variable. Generally, we used to express the variables by these alphabetical notations: X, Y, Z, U, V. But it is not compulsion to take these ones. You can take another one alphabets. We are usually using some alphabets as constants as A, B, C. Now we have to define term. What is term? An element which is a combination of 4 things: sign, plus or minus, number, any real number represents real numbers, variable, you can take any alphabet, and power. These 4 things combine to make or form a term. Example, we can take 2x square, 3x minus 5y minus 2, which can be expressed minus 2 equals to minus root 2 of root 2 x to the power 0 and 7 by 8 z square. Here we have variables, we have numbers, real numbers, we have powers, and we have also sign. And now come to what are like terms. 2 or more terms having same variables with equal powers. 2 or more variables, 2 or more terms having same variables with equal powers, on them are called like terms. 2 या 2 से ज्यादा टर्म जिनके पास एक जैसा ही वेरिएबल होना चाहिए, एक ही वेरिएबल होना चाहिए, और उनके पावर्स भी क्या होना चाहिए? इक्वल होने चाहिए. तो ऐसे टर्म्स को लाइक टर्म्स कहेंगे। आप यहां पे देख सकते हैं कि 2x कॉमा माइनस 7/3x and √2 of x. Here in every term we have x as variable, and the power of x is also 1 in each of the terms. Unlike terms, terms which are not like are unlike terms. Terms which are not like, जो एक जैसा टर्म नहीं है, वो unlike terms हैं. And for example, they must have different variables. They should have different variables, and you can say, or they have different powers. Now come to see the examples. You will get here √2x, and here is 5y square, and here is 0.9 x cube. The power are different. Here is power 3 and here is 1. Yeah, hence we can say these two are unlike terms, and here √2x and 5y square, they have different variables. That's why we can say unlike terms. Now come to the point coefficient. We are quite familiar of these terms from the lower classes. The constant number used in writing a term. When you are writing, when you are expressing a term with sign plus or minus, that the constant number is known as coefficient. And now we'll define algebraic expression. When two or more unlike terms are written together with signs, such a combination of terms are known as algebraic expression. We'll write the definition of after the erasing these. Here is the definition of algebraic expression. When two or more unlike terms are written together, two unlike terms are written together with their signs, such a combination is known as algebraic expression. Example, you can take 2 plus 3x, 2x square plus x minus 2, x plus 1 upon x, 3x minus 1. These are algebraic expressions. Now we are able to define polynomials. We will differentiate the polynomials and concept of expression. Okay. Now we are able to define the polynomials. An algebraic expression. Polynomials are basically algebraic expression of the form of this type: a naught x to the power 0 plus a1 x to the power 1 plus a2 x to the power 2, a3 x to the power 3, and so on. Where these are the real numbers, but an should never be equals to 0, and n is non-negative integer. N is non-negative integer is called polynomial of degree 1. Here we have a terminology, degree. Let us define what is degree. Degrees are basically the highest power of a polynomial. You are quite familiar of degrees from class 8 also. The highest power of a polynomial is called degree. Here the powers are going increasing. Hence n is the greatest power. That's why this polynomial is of degree 1. Consider few examples here. X square plus 3x plus 4. Here the coefficients of each term are integers, and the degree is, the highest power is 2 on x. Hence degree is 2. X square plus 1 upon 3x plus 5. Here the coefficients are rational, but degree is 2. Here the coefficients are real numbers. Here we have irrational number √3x and √5. The coefficients are real numbers, but degree is 2. Remember that degree of a polynomial must be whole number. Must be whole number. That is 0 and 1, 2, 3 up to infinite numbers. You can say they are non-negative numbers. The degree of polynomial, that is the power of a polynomial, should always be the non-negative numbers. They never be negative. They might be positive, they might be 0. And the power should always be non-negative. That means the powers are not in fraction, or powers are not fractional or negative. It has neither negative power not fractional power. The degree of polynomial always non-negative numbers. That means they might be positive, they might be 0. That's why here in this expression x plus 1 upon x, or you can represent this as x plus x to the power minus 1, has power negative. One of the variable of this expression, one of the term of this expression has negative power. Hence x plus 1 upon x is not a polynomial, whereas root x plus 2x, in this expression we have the powers of x is square root of x, means x to the power half. That is, this x has rational powers, fractional powers, not rational. They have fractional powers, hence this is also not a polynomial.
बिन्नी हटो जल्दी मत करो.
Various types of polynomials such as monomial. If the polynomial having only one term, such types of polynomials are monomials. And if the polynomial has two terms, the number of terms in a polynomial is 2, then the polynomial is said to be binomial. And if the polynomial has 3 terms, they are trinomials. And if the polynomial has more than 3 terms, such types of polynomials are multinomials. As per here, we will also discuss the zero polynomial. The number 0 itself is a zero polynomial. Since the degree of the zero polynomial is not defined to us, we can say this as 0 of the polynomial number. 0 can be expressed 0 into x to the power 0, or 0 into x equal to 0, or 0 into x square, or equal to 0 into x cube. We can multiply every number here with different powers. The degree of these all polynomials are different, but everyone is multiplied with 0. Since to get a 0, we have different degrees here. That is, the degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. Number 0 is 0 of the polynomial. Clear? Now, a polynomial with degree 0, a polynomial can have degree non-negative. If the non-negative numbers, the powers are, the degrees are non-negative, then we can say such type of polynomials as constant polynomials, and all non-zero constants are constant polynomials, and thereby constant polynomials are always monomials. Clear? We'll discuss a few terms also, the coefficients of We'll discuss tomorrow in the second class as the linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, and bi-quadratic polynomials. Afterward, we'll also discuss few examples, few questions. We'll take few questions and their answers will be done in the next class. Thank you.